Have you ever found yourself wondering whether she's dropping subtle hints or if you're simply overanalyzing her actions? Attraction is often a delicate dance of signals, some obvious, others more nuanced. Many men overlook these signals because they don't recognize the right signs. Today, we're diving into 6 undeniable signs that a woman wants to sleep with you, but with a unique perspective, through the lens of Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches us to be observant, composed, and aware of our surroundings. When it comes to attraction, these qualities help us discern genuine interest from mere politeness. By learning to identify and respond to these signs with a stoic mindset, you gain clarity, confidence, and control in your interactions. So, let's break it down. Sign 1. Eye contact. That lingers. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues in human interaction. When a woman maintains eye contact with you for longer than usual, it's not just casual interest, it's a signal of deeper physical attraction. Instead of breaking the gaze after a few seconds, she locks eyes with you, allowing the moment to stretch longer than expected. This isn't random, it's intentional. A lingering gaze is an invitation into her space, a silent acknowledgement of mutual attraction. She may even soften her expression, smile subtly, or tilt her head slightly, reinforcing the unspoken connection. For a Stoic man, this type of eye contact requires calm awareness. Instead of reacting impulsively, whether by looking away nervously or overanalyzing the moment, stay composed. Hold her gaze naturally, maintaining the same level of interest she's showing you. Stoicism teaches us the value of presence and perception. By understanding and embracing these cues without being overwhelmed by them, you demonstrate confidence and control, qualities that naturally deepen attraction. When she locks eyes with you, recognize it as an invitation. Stay composed, reciprocate her energy, and let the connection unfold organically. Sign 2. Intentional touch. Touch is one of the most powerful ways people express attraction. When a woman touches you intentionally, it's rarely accidental. It's a sign that she's comfortable with you and testing the physical boundaries of connection. The key here is recognizing the difference between friendly and flirtatious touch. If she lightly brushes her fingers across your arm, rests her hand on your knee for a moment, or finds excuses to initiate physical contact, it's a clear signal of interest. Stoicism encourages keen observation and emotional control. Instead of getting overly excited or misreading signals, a Stoic man remains present and aware. He understands that her touch isn't just a casual gesture, it's a deliberate move to see how he responds. Pay attention to patterns. Does she touch you frequently, even in subtle ways? Does she lean into you when laughing, playfully push your shoulder, or find excuses to fix your collar or bracelet? These are signs that she's comfortable escalating physical intimacy. Recognizing these cues allows you to navigate the situation with confidence and clarity, ensuring you respond in a way that deepens the attraction rather than diminishing it. Sign 3. Seeking private conversations. A woman who deliberately creates opportunities for one-on-one interactions is signaling deeper interest. This isn't just about avoiding distractions, it's about fostering intimacy. If she suggests stepping outside for fresh air at a party, asks you to grab coffee alone, or initiates late-night text conversations, she's intentionally drawing you into her world. These aren't random acts, they're calculated moves to gauge your level of interest and establish a more exclusive bond. Stoicism teaches self-awareness and clarity in our interactions. When a woman seeks privacy with you, she's offering a level of vulnerability and emotional investment. In these moments, your response matters. Instead of jumping to conclusions or rushing things, remain composed. Recognize the opportunity without forcing it. Engage her on a deeper level by being present, listening actively, and allowing the conversation to flow naturally. By embracing a Stoic approach, one of patience, control, and awareness, you create a magnetic presence. You become someone who doesn't chase, but instead attracts naturally by recognizing the moment and responding with confidence. Sign 4. Flirtatious body language. Words often mask true feelings, but body language rarely lies. When a woman is attracted to you, her body will communicate it before her words do. Signs to look for include leaning in when she talks, mirroring your movements, playing with her hair, touching her neck, or adjusting her posture to emphasize her femininity. These subconscious actions indicate nervous excitement and attraction. If her crossed and pointed towards you, or if she frequently tilts her head while making eye contact, she's sending subtle signals of desire. A stoic man remains observant and composed. Instead of reacting impulsively, he takes note of these cues and lets the interaction develop at its natural pace. Confidence isn't about rushing in, it's about recognizing the right moment to respond. Sign 5. Frequent compliments. Compliments are direct but often overlooked signals of attraction. When a woman consistently compliments your appearance, style, or scent, she's not just being polite, she's expressing admiration and attraction. Pay attention to the nature of these compliments. A woman who is interested in you on a deeper level will notice and mention details like the way you dress, how you carry yourself, or even your voice. She might say, "You always smell amazing," or "I love how confident you are." These remarks go beyond surface-level observations. They're expressions of genuine attraction. Stoicism teaches us to remain unaffected by praise or criticism, but that doesn't mean ignoring intention. A Stoic man acknowledges compliments without letting them inflate his ego. He remains grounded, recognizing them as subtle invitations for deeper connection. Sign 6. Bringing up sexual topics. One of the clearest signs of attraction is when a woman begins introducing sexual topics into the conversation. This isn't accidental. It's a calculated move to gauge your comfort level and openness. She may mention a provocative scene in a movie, make playful innuendos, or ask about your thoughts on relationships and intimacy. These are indirect ways of assessing your mindset and attraction toward her. From a Stoic perspective, it's crucial to remain composed. A Stoic man doesn't react with eagerness or discomfort. He stays grounded, responding with confidence and thoughtfulness. He understands that she's inviting a deeper conversation, not just testing his reaction. Recognizing and engaging with these moments in a measured way signals emotional maturity. It shows that you're not just focused on physical attraction, but that you understand the unspoken dialogue of attraction itself. 7. Her voice changes. A softer edge, a lower tone. Physiologists have noted that a woman's vocal pitch subtly drops when she speaks to a man she desires. This is not deception, it is instinct. Marcus Aurelius said, "Accept the things to which fate binds you, but do not be blinded. A whisper can be more dangerous than a shout." If her voice softens when she speaks to you, if there is an almost melodic quality to her words, this is a subconscious shift. Many men mistake this for simple kindness. The Stoic, however, understands that desire manifests not in grand gestures, but in subtle shifts. Listen beyond the words. 8. She plays with time, making it slow down. A woman who is indifferent will be impatient. A woman who is drawn to you will stretch time, letting conversations meander, lingering where there is no need. The ordinary man mistakes this for politeness. The Stoic understands she is drawing you into her rhythm. If she lingers at the end of the night, if she hesitates before saying goodbye, if she makes an excuse to stay a little longer, recognize this for what it is. A Stoic does not take time for granted. He knows that when someone gives their time freely, it is the most valuable gift. Cherish, but do not chase. 9. She reveals more than necessary. Seneca wrote, "Nothing is ours except time." A woman who desires you gives you her thoughts, her secrets, her past. Not because she must, but because she wishes to be understood by you. This is not a confession, it is a key. If she speaks to you about things she would not tell others, if she exposes her vulnerabilities, if she opens up in a way that is rare, she is inviting you into her world. But remember, a Stoic does not exploit vulnerability. He respects it. 10. She lets you lead and follows willingly. The strongest indicator is the simplest. If she desires you, she will follow your direction, gently, naturally. Not because she is weak, but because attraction, at its core, is surrender. The Stoic does not force, he does not convince, he merely exists, and the world bends around him. The Stoic approach to attraction. Attraction is a complex interplay of signals, but Stoicism offers a unique advantage: clarity, patience, and control. By understanding these 6 signs and responding with composed confidence, you naturally elevate your presence. A Stoic man doesn't chase, he observes. He doesn't force, he attracts. He recognizes signals and acts with intentionality. When a woman is interested, she will show it, often subtly but unmistakably. Your role is to be present, aware, and discerning, ensuring that you navigate the interaction with both confidence and authenticity. Understanding human nature through a Stoic lens is a powerful tool to engage in relationships without desperation, without second-guessing, and without emotional turbulence. It teaches you that attraction isn't about luck, it's about awareness and mastery of the moment. By applying Stoic principles to your interactions, you not only improve your understanding of attraction, but also cultivate a mindset that makes you naturally desirable. Because true confidence isn't loud, it's the quiet assurance that you know exactly who you are and what you bring to the table. If you found value in this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There's so much more to explore in understanding human nature through the lens of Stoicism. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.